Welcome, ladies and gentlemen, Commodity TV here in Munich at the Edelmetallmesse, the Precious Metal Fair this year 2017. And with me here is a very successful company, Pasinex Resources. You know them, it's a zinc producer out of Turkey. Very successful this year because they're not only in production, they raise production and they raise the margins. And we want to get an update from Steve Williams, CEO of the company. Steve, welcome.
Hello, and thank you.
Yeah, thank you very much for taking the time. It's been easily 6 to 8 months when we spoke last time. What I would like to know is, first of all, maybe you can give us a little overview about the development of the company this year, because you did very well.
Yeah, I mean, it's been a great year. I mean, obviously the highlight is the zinc price. Yeah. There's been a significant, we went from, I think, about $1.10 at the beginning of the year, US per pound, to, we broke through $1.50 now, US per pound. So big movement on the zinc price, and, we're producing, so that goes right to the bottom line. Yeah, I mean, in terms of the mine, I guess a couple of the big things, we've been doing a lot of development underground to continue to sustain the production over the next couple of years. So that's been a big thing for us this year. So we're setting ourselves up for production over the next couple of years. It's going very well. Our margins are going north of 50%.
That's important. Yeah. Just before we come maybe to the margins and the money, but what was the development of the production? What have you started like in Q1, Q2, Q3? What went on? What was
we're going to do a bit over 60,000 tons of zinc production this year, which is about 40 million pounds of zinc. We started with the net on average is about 160 tons per day. We started the beginning of the year around 140 tons per day, but then as we've been doing the development, we've been facilitating the increase in production. So we're now up 170, 180 tons per day.
Super, great. And you also did already some nice underground drilling. I think you had some phenomenal drill results, which hopefully will result soon in a 43-101, because I think that's something what is missing in the company, right?
Yeah, absolutely. It is missing. We're working on the 43-101. It's imminent. It's coming out this month, November. It'll be out. And that'll, I think, show a
nice mine life?
Still, we got a ways to go, but a good little mine life.
Okay,
what was the other thing? Well, beyond that, we continue to drill, and we're drilling deeper and deeper now, and we keep finding some zinc. So
that's important, yeah. But can you maybe elaborate a little bit more in detail about, let's say, the drill results you had? Because you are mining, as far as I have in my mind, something like 67% zinc or 65% zinc, which is like direct shipping ore. I mean, that is crazy. Obviously, to my understanding, I think you maybe cannot sustain this for the next 10, 20 years, or let's say, have you found still fantastic grades, or let's say even grades like 30-40% that you can do a high margin production?
You asked a lot there. Okay, but it's your job. Yeah, it's high grade. The bottom line is it's high grade. It's not quite 67, Joachim. So we have oxides and then we have sulfides. The oxides are running around 32% zinc, which is very good, and direct shipping. And then the sulfides, that's where we're getting the sort of 50% grades, not 67, but about 50. But that is.
I thought I remember one drill result was like that.
Oh, there was
one drill result.
There was one drill result, but
exactly.
You've got to be careful. I mean, yeah. So on average, maybe 50, but they're still excellent in direct shipping. And basically, all the resource we've got is all that. It's all high grade. And to date, all our drilling keeps finding more high grade. I can't tell you if it's going to be the same way in 20 years. I don't know.
That's not possible.
But at the moment,
would be pure speculation.
It would be pure speculation. But at the moment, we're not seeing any low grade. It's all high grade so far.
Perfect. No, I mean, for you, it's important really to prove with the first 43-101 that you have something which is sustainable, and then you have to build up on that, right?
That's exactly what we're doing. We'll put out, this is, in our mind, this is the first 43-101. Exactly. And we'll keep drilling, and hopefully we keep adding resource, and it's a good, strong story.
Let's put it that way, one step after the other, but in a healthy way, right? Yeah. Super. Perfect. Let's come to some financials, because I think you made tremendous progress. I mean, can you share with us a bit, what are your all-in production costs? I mean, we just were talking about zinc, about 145, 150 per pound of zinc. So what are your production costs? How does it work? Your share with your Turkish partner, stuff like that?
Well, I can tell you, to the end of Q2, our margin was bit over 50%.
50. 50.
50. Bit
quite
over
nice, I would say.
That's very nice.
Yeah.
If anything, I'm hopeful. We'll have Q3 results out this month in November, and if anything, I'm hopeful that we'll actually see even slightly better improvements.
Ooh, lovely to hear that.
Well, and that's because the zinc price keeps going up, and that, you know, every increase in the zinc price goes right to the bottom line. So it goes right, because we've already paid the cost.
Exactly.
Our all-in costs are running upwards of about 150 US per ton. That's all in. That's including drilling.
But that's per ton, not per pound.
Per ton of mine, all mined. Yeah, per ton of ore mined, which means 32% zinc approximately. But that includes drilling. That includes underground development. All this, we've been doing a lot of development this year. It includes all those costs. So that's where you start to get good margins, because we're selling the product at a lot higher value than that.
Perfect. What is the game plan for 2018? What do you want to achieve?
Yeah, at this stage, get the 43-101 out, show our mine life, and then probably hold it steady. When I say steady, at the moment I'm thinking that 2018 is going to look a lot like 2017. And then continue to drill. You know, the real objective is we think there's a lot more resource still, but to be found, but it's to keep drilling and keep trying to grow that resource. That's sort of the top objective.
Perfect, great. Maybe one last word on Turkey.
Yep.
It's all in good shape? You're still doing good? Everything is fine?
Yeah, no, everything's fine. You know, obviously, you know, there has been, you know, some challenges.
Some irritations, I would say.
But, you know, one of the strengths of Turkey, you know, the economy of Turkey is still growing at 5% per annum. And the government is very focused on business, on economic growth. You know, that's one of the government's real strengths. And so people like us, doing what we're doing, you know, we employ now up to, 250 people now. We're making money, so we're paying taxes. We're doing what the government wants. As long as you do it right, you employ Turks, you pay your taxes, you respect
environmentally, of course, also,
socially, environmentally, you do the right things, then you are actually doing what the government wants to see.
Perfect. So you don't have problems now.
Then you don't get problems.
Super. That's a good final sentence. Steve, thank you very much on that. And hopefully then for an update in let's say Q1, the next 4 to 5 months. And we look forward to your Q3 numbers then.
Very much so.
Thank you very much. Yeah, ladies and gentlemen, that was Steve Williams, the CEO of Parcinex Resources. And you heard it. Q3 numbers will come out shortly, and also a first 43 101 will come out. And this will be a good start for a resource base then, that the company can show the market, hey, guys, this is a sustainable mine. This will continue, hopefully then for many years. And Steve said it right. I mean, the margin is going up. The tonnage will go up for the future also. And what is even more important, they are drilling. So I'm quite sure we will have a nice update for you in the next 4 to 6 months. Check it out. Thanks for watching us. Bye-bye from Munich.